A. Now we all know A. This is capital A, small a. This is a story about A sound. Who gets the apple? Story for A, not A. Annie, the and finds an apple on a tree. She wants to eat it. She tries to pluck the apple, but it is too heavy. It falls. When Annie goes down, she sees Ellie, the alligator, eating the apple. Annie gets angry. Hello, says Ellie. How are you? But Annie doesn't reply. She is angry. Here, take it. This is your apple, says Ellie. Annie smiles and says, Hi, my name is Annie. Let us share the apple. This is about a sound. So words they are coming with the a sound are Annie and apple, Annie, Ellie, alligator, angry. Okay, so we have to learn this sound. So, from the a sound, what are the words? A, alligator, a, apple, a, ant, a, angry, a, arrow, and a, astronaut. Birds. Thank you, kids.